Hello everyone. Today we are going to make a project which is electronic piano. The components required for this project are few connecting wires, one Arduino Uno board, 5 4-pin push buttons, one buzzer, one USB cable and a breadboard. First of all, take one push button and place it on the breadboard. Similarly, we have to place all the 5 push buttons on the breadboard. Now take a buzzer. The longer terminal is positive terminal and the shorter terminal is negative terminal. Now place a buzzer on the breadboard. Now connect one of the terminal of all the 5 push buttons to the negative rail of the breadboard. Connect the negative terminal of buzzer to the ground pin of Arduino. Now we have to connect the diagonally opposite pins of push buttons to the Arduino. Connect the first push button to pin number 6. Connect second push button to pin number 7. Connect third push button to pin number 8. Connect fourth push button to pin number 9. Connect fifth push button to pin number 10 of the Arduino. Connect the positive terminal of buzzer to pin 11 of the Arduino. Connect the negative rail of the breadboard to the ground pin of the Arduino. So the connections are done. Now let's start with the coding. So first of all, open Arduino IDE software. So here we have defined a frequencies of different tones. Then we have defined one variable activated and we have set its value to loop. Then we have defined the pin numbers of all the 5 push buttons and a piezo buzzer. For the buttons we have used variable button C, button D, button E and so on. Then in the void setup we have defined all the pins as an input and we have set all the push buttons to high using a digital write function. Then in the void loop function we are going to use a while loop to detect whether the buttons are pressed or not. So while digital read button C is equal to activated means if a button C is pressed, then we are going to generate a tone note C on the buzzer. Same thing we have done for all the 5 buttons and we have played a different tone on a buzzer every time a different button is going to be pressed. So whenever a different button will be pressed, a different tone will be generated on a buzzer. And if none of the button is pressed, then the buzzer will stop ringing. So we have used a no tone function. So that's all about the code. Now let's see the output of the project.